Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down the key differences between forex trading and cryptocurrency trading so you can better understand how these two markets work, their risks and their opportunities. Number 1, market nature. Forex is all about trading traditional currencies like USD, PKR, and Euro USD. Crypto involves trading digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Number 2, regulation. The Forex market is globally regulated and directly connected to the banking system. The crypto market, however, is largely unregulated and operates in a decentralized structure. Number 3, volume value and volatility. Crypto is a highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in a short time. Forex also experience volatility, but it's generally more stable and uncontrolled. Number 4, trading horse. Forex is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Crypto never sleeps. It's open 24/7 hours every single day of the year. Number 5, risk level. Crypto comes with higher risk but also higher potential rewards. Forex currency relatively lower risk, especially with proper risk management strategy. Conclusion: if you are beginner, Forex can be safer. Entry point to understand trading basics, but before stepping into crypto, make sure you study the markets, learn risk management, and build a solid strategy. If you would like me to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to drop your question in the comments. And thanks.